Get noticed in this 2010 Dodge Nitro.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.